Hi, welcome to the Great Taste of Las Vegas. Today we're going to make some chuck roast in the air fryer. First of all, we don't want to eat fat, so I take most of the fat off it. So here you come with some lean beef, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit of sugar, like a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of flour, some black pepper, a little bit of salt, some soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Going to have a tablespoon of it. One teaspoon of onion, half teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, and then we put 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix them together. So your chuck roast is now ready. Parchment paper. We're going to cook it. Okay, so it's ready. This chuck roast is ready to go. Okay, it is now 12 minutes. We're going to check on our chuck roast. It looks pretty good, but we're going to add these sweet onion to grill in with the beef chuck. So we add the rest of this in here. You don't even need to do anything, just like that. If you like salty, you can put shake a little bit of sauce on top of the onion. The chuck roast is really thick, so we're going to start again. And we're already 12 minutes, so let's cook another 8 minutes to make it 20, because now we have to cook the rest of the onion. This is total 20 minutes. The chuck roast is ready, and this is our chuck roast coming out. And then we will, for the little sauce, we just move all of the onion around it. This is what it looked like. Your chuck roast, and then you can taste the onion. Really good. Let's taste the little piece of chuck roast, a piece of it. Dinner. Hope you enjoy it. Try your chuck roast in the air fryer like this, where the onion is really tasty. You don't need much. If you like, you can always spray a little bit, pour a little bit of soy sauce on top of everything, but I think the way it is really good. Toast some English muffin in the pan. We're going to break 2 English muffin. Put back in the air fryer for 2 minutes. Your muffins are all toast right now. Oops. Now you can serve your chuck roast with rice or toasted English muffin to complete your meal.